Do you do content audits and just want to check the SEO scores of a bunch of articles without rewriting or optimizing them just yet? Well, now you can with the SEO Score Scanner template in Flex. First, let me show you how to use the template. So first, you want to go to Flex and then click on New Workflow. And then you will see all the templates that we have. You want to look for SEO Score Scanner. And then click on Use Template. And then click Create. And then just click into the template. Next, you want to head over to Execute. And then here, you want to enter the keyword that you want to rank for. And then under URL, paste the URL of the content. And then click on Execute. And then just wait while it runs. So once it's done, you will see two links under Output. One is in Markdown format and the other is in docx document. So if you click on any of the link, it will automatically download the file. Now let me show you what the report looks like. So this is what the report for the SEO scanner looks like. First, you get the on-page SEO score, which for this blog post is 48, meaning it's adequately optimized, but it can definitely be improved further. You also see some stats like your word count, heading count, paragraph count, image count, and then you will see your SEO analysis like the keyword density, internal links and external links count. And then here, which is quite important, is the SEO suggestions list. So this is a list of actionable suggestions that tell you what to do to improve your content and boost its SEO score. So for example, under content structure, the first item says number of words is within the optimal range, meaning the content is already optimized for this specific item. So if we go down further, you'll see headings and title, contextual terms. So it seems like the content is not optimized for contextual terms. So it says to add more unique contextual terms. And then we have context, URL, linking. So yeah, this is what the SEO Score Scanner report looks like. So once you have your SEO score and you want to optimize to boost its score, there are several methods you can do that. So first you can go to Vertex and then go to Optimize Content. Choose Optimize Content entirely. Paste the URL again. Enter the search query. And click on Create Document. And then once it's done loading, you can click into the document and you will be brought to the content editor. And then you can go ahead and click on Auto Optimize to optimize the content. Or you can also check out these suggestions and then do tweaks manually. For example, you can go ahead to the SEO Reference tab and then check out the headings to add more unique headings if you need, or contextual terms. Here you'll see all the terms that you've used and not used yet, and then you can go ahead and add them to your content. Another way to optimize your content is to use the article optimizer template in Flex. So what this does is it rewrites the article from scratch but makes it 10 times better. This is great if you want to completely rewrite your article from scratch. So the great thing about this template and Flex in general is that you can run it in bulk, meaning you can get the SEO scores of multiple articles at once. So all you need to do is enter your keyword and then paste the URL and then just fill in the next rows accordingly. Alternatively, you can also import a CSV. For example, I've got a Google Sheet here where I have a few URLs of articles that I want to check the SEO scores of. And I also have a column for the keywords that they're targeting. And then I will download this as a CSV file. And then we go back to the SEO Score Scanner template. Click on Import CSV. Upload the file. And then you want to map the columns according to the correct data. So mine has header, so I'm going to check that box. And then this is a sample data. So URL should be under URL. And the keyword should be text input. And then click on Continue. And as you can see, it automatically loaded all of the URLs and keywords from the CSV file. And all we need to do is click on Execute. A good use case for using the SEO Score Scanner template is when you want to check the SEO scores of underperforming content. So to do that, you can go to Google Search Console and then click on Compare. Choose the period that you want to compare. You want to look at pages and then you want to sort the position difference column in ascending order. And then you will see the pages which rankings decrease in the last 28 days compared to the previous 28 days. And then you can export these pages and then chuck them into the SEO Score Scanner template and then see whether they need to be optimized. So the way I set up the workflow is I have 2 export blocks in Markdown and Doc. If you want, you can go ahead and change the format. So that's how you use the SEO Score Scanner template in Flex. Hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.